This is a short little video on helping you to look after your lime trees. And the lime we've got here is a Mexican lime, Tilia mexicana, and it's doing what all lime trees are very prone to do, which is shooting from the base. And lime trees, above all trees, like to do that. This tree lost a limb, and so the light is getting into the base of the tree, and that's encouraging it to grow. But this is a rare species. We don't want these side shoots taking energy from the development of the tree. And also we want to be able to look through this large graceful tree without shoots up from the bottom, which will make a mess of things. So I'm just going to whip round with a small pruning saw and just remove very tight to the trunk these nasty little side shoots. And I'm doing that as tightly as I can to the main stem. They'll probably try and shoot from there again, but we'll worry about that in years to come. And you can see that we've had a go at cutting these off before when they were rather smaller shoots, but we've clearly forgotten to do it for a year or two. So anyway, we need to get in a bit tight, right, really tight to the trunk and get this lot sawn off tightly so we don't leave any real room for... I might just level that up a bit. So as not to leave any other areas for the new shoots to come, and that means a whole lot more energy. Instead of going into those watery suckers, we'll go up into the tree itself, and in time we'll get a better crown on this tree and it'll generally do better. Doesn't take 5 minutes, but it's a great way of looking after your lime trees.